Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings from IndiGo. They are hiring for Bangalore location from Karnataka. They have vacancies for different positions, so let's have a look. For the position of Senior Executive Corporate Sales, you must have 2 to 4 years of work experience and you should have experience in corporate sales department, and it will be a full-time job opportunity. And to eligible for this position, you must have skill sets like presentation or Excel skills, energy level, negotiation, prospecting skills, meeting sales goals, creativity, sales planning, independence, and motivation for sales. So these are the skill sets required. Next one, there is a job opening for cabin crew Airbus in their in-flight service department. So the functional area will be in-flight services. For this position, freshers and up to 3 years of experienced candidates are eligible, and it will be contract job. So for this position, female Indian nationals with Indian passport, and you should have the age between 18 to 27 years. And coming to the educational qualifications, you must be 12th passed from a recognized board or university, and you must be fluent and clarity of speech in both English and Hindi languages, and you must have the minimum height like 155 centimeters and weight proportionate to BMI, and you should have positive body language and well groomed, and no tattoos should be visible while in uniform, and the interview location will be Delhi. Next one, there is a job opening for senior executive position for trade sales. So to eligible for this job role, you must have minimum 2 to 3 years of work experience in sales and maintain and build an excellent rapport with external and internal customers. And you please check once rest of the job description, and if you go through the skill sets required, you must have presentation or Excel skills, energy level, negotiation, prospecting skills, meeting sales goals, creativity, sales planning, independence, and motivation for sales. So these are the skill sets required, and it will be a full-time job opportunity. So if you are eligible for any of the job position, you can apply by the links given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.